Best squares comparison. Speed squares are essential tools for carpenters, roofers, and DIY enthusiasts, offering precise measurements and versatile functionality for tasks like marking angles, making square cuts, and finding roof pitches. With a wide range of options available, selecting the right speed square. List Swanson Tool Co. The SW1201K Value Pack from Swanson Tool Co. Inc. is a premium offering that includes a 7-inch speed square, a 12-inch Big 12 speed square, and the highly regarded Swanson Blue Book for rafter and roof construction reference. Made from heavy-gauge billet aluminum alloy, these squares are built for durability and precision, making them ideal for professionals and DIYers alike. The gradations for marking common rafters, hip rafters, and valley rafters are clearly etched for ease of use, and the die-cast construction ensures reliable accuracy. These squares simplify tasks like marking angles and making square cuts, while their robust build makes them suitable for heavy-duty applications. In practice, the SW1201K performs exceptionally well, offering a stable and accurate guide for saw cuts and angle measurements. Its rugged aluminum construction resists wear and tear, while the included Blue Book adds significant value for users tackling roofing projects. However, the larger size of the 12-inch speed square may be cumbersome for smaller projects or tight spaces. Overall, this product is an excellent investment for professionals who need reliable tools for complex tasks. List new Swanson SO101CB Speed Square Layout Tool with Blue Book. The SO101CB Value Pack from Swanson Tool Co. Incorporated combines a 7-inch speed square, a 6-inch combination square, and the pocket-sized Swanson Blue Book. This kit is designed for versatility, offering tools for tasks like marking angles, finding roof pitches, and ensuring square cuts. Constructed from heavy-gauge aluminum, the squares are durable and feature black markings for enhanced readability. The combination square adds functionality with its depth gauge, scriber, and level, making this an ideal starter kit for new roofers or DIYers. During testing, the SO101CB proved to be a reliable and versatile toolset. The combination of the speed square and the 6-inch square provides flexibility for a wide range of applications. The Blue Book is a valuable resource for roof construction, but the smaller 6-inch square may not be as useful for larger projects. While slightly less rugged than the SW1201K, this kit offers excellent value for its price and is well suited for beginners or hobbyists. List me. Mr. Penn Metal 7 inches Rafter Square. The Mr. Penn Metal 7 inches Rafter Square set offers two identical 7-inch squares at an unbeatable price of $9.75, making it the most budget-friendly option on this list. Made from rust-proof and weather-resistant aluminum alloy, these squares are lightweight and versatile, suitable for marking angles, finding roof pitches, and serving as saw guides. The plain graduations are easy to read, and the compact design makes them ideal for quick measurements and smaller projects. While the Mr. Penn squares are highly affordable, they lack the premium build quality of higher-priced models. The aluminum material is thinner, which may compromise long-term durability and precision in demanding tasks. These squares are best suited for casual use or light-duty projects, where affordability and simplicity are prioritized over ruggedness and advanced features. List number: Thorvald 6-in-1 Carpenter Square 7-inch. The Thorvald 6-in-1 Carpenter Square stands out for its multifunctionality, combining 6 tools into one compact accessory. This square features 2 protractors, 3 marking gauges, 2 rulers, a drill gauge, and a wrench, all crafted from 4mm thick aluminum for durability. The laser-engraved measurements ensure long-lasting readability, and the included 2-in-1 carpenter pencil adds convenience for marking tasks. With 1/16-inch graduations, this square offers exceptional precision, making it a great choice for detailed woodworking projects. In use, the Thorvald square excels in versatility, allowing users to perform multiple tasks without switching tools. The thick aluminum construction provides stability, though the additional features may be overwhelming for users seeking a straightforward speed square. The included carpenter pencil is a thoughtful addition, but the higher price point may deter budget-conscious buyers. Overall, this is an excellent choice for professionals who value precision and multifunctionality. List 5. Klein Tools 9357 SSQ Rafter Square. The Klein Tools 9357 SSQ Rafter Square is a mid-range option offering solid aluminum construction and double laser-etched marking for enhanced readability. This square features 1/4-inch scribe notches for evenly spaced markings, a pipe prop for secure measuring, and 0 to 90-degree angle markings for precise measurements. The large heel edge provides stability, making it easy to hold against or slide across wood or other materials. During testing, the Klein Tool Square delivered excellent accuracy and usability, with highly visible markings that make it ideal for job sites with varying lighting conditions. The pipe prop is a unique feature that adds value for users working with pipes. However, the square lacks advanced features found in multifunctional models like the Thorvald. This product strikes a good balance between affordability and performance, making it suitable for general-purpose use.